Penny Stock Data Science. 7-day free trial. Link in description.
Hey guys, it's Bowser here with Penny Stock Data Science. Another video today. Today we're going to be talking about INM in med pharmaceuticals. So this has been a runner in the past and had it on watch just because of some increased volume lately. So this one in particular, it's a ticker we've had on watch just in general just because it had this big move back in August. On the 20th, there was some news about one of their drugs, I believe the drug they do for Alzheimer's. So news this day, big move here from, what is this, like 2.8 up to 15. I think pre-market it went up to about 18, and this was before the reverse split, so I think it was like 20 cents at the time, but very, very big move. So it's a stock we've had on our radar, and we've had this some increased volume lately, particularly on Friday. So it's of interest, but we wanted to highlight some upcoming catalysts specifically for this stock. So if we go ahead and we can take a look at our PSDS Elite tool here. And we have our upcoming catalysts. We have some other stuff, but I already pulled up the specific thing. So we have the 8K from November 2024 for their talk about their financials and a business update. But the key thing here is this paragraph here, where they talk about their Alzheimer's treatment candidate INM 901. You know, research landscaping rapidly evolving, and that they plan to communicate additional data in Q4 2024. And as far as I know, we haven't seen anything about this. So they're due. They're due to talk about it. I would think put something out. So this is a catalyst we're expecting. At this point, it's delayed. We have this increase of volume here on Friday. It's on radar. It's a former runner, so it's of interest to us. And then aside from that, we have a purchase agreement here from late December. Just like a share purchase agreement from Yorkville YA, IPN. This is someone we track in general, but just another piece to the puzzle here, that we have this purchase agreement from a group that we track in our tool that is of interest to us. We have the increased volume on the chart, and then we have this catalyst that we are waiting for. So a lot of good stuff of interest here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, comment on the video. Check out our Patreon page, and thank you again for watching.